Today we're going to be taking a look at a model by GL, which is a builder here in Palm Beach with a great reputation for luxury homes in high-end resort communities. They've just announced a brand new community in Palm Beach Gardens with another in the works in Boca, and I'm an agent that specializes in new construction. I have relationships with the builders, and I can work with and represent you if you're considering purchasing a new home in either area. So this home is actually one of their starting sizes for this community, and it's going to give you about 2,500 square feet under air. You'll have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a powder room for guests, and a den off from the foyer, which has 13 to 14 foot ceilings. And even though this is one of their smaller homes, each of the bedrooms are a really good size with 10-foot ceilings and 12 feet high in the common areas and the master suite. And as always, I'm going to put the most up-to-date pricing information in the description. If you are considering buying, building, or even selling a home here in Palm Beach, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. You can reach me directly either by calling the number I put up on the screen or emailing me at ragonzalezhomes@gmail.com. I work with all of the builders and homes for sale, not just this one, and we would be able to go over what your options look like and what the process would be. So if you like what you've seen and you're looking for a new modern home here in Palm Beach Gardens or Boca, I'm going to put my information right up here so that you can reach me directly.